On a separate news, U.S. stocks rallied on Thursday as investors jeer a new trade agreement hammered out between the United States and Britain, while U.S. President Donald Trump signaled upcoming talks with China would be more substantial than initially thought. Britain agreed to lower its tariffs to 1.8% from 5.1% and provide greater access to U.S. goods as part of the deal, while a 10% baseline tariff on goods imported from the UK into the US remains in place. Airline stocks shot higher after the US-UK agreement exempted plane parts made by Rolls-Royce from tariffs, with the S&P 500 passenger airlines index up about 6%, led by a surge in Delta Airlines. US Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick said the UK would buy $10 billion of Boeing aircraft, sending the plane maker's shares higher as best performer on the Dow. Trump also said he expects substantive negotiations between the US and Beijing on the trade front this weekend and wouldn't be surprised if a deal was reached.
Today, we're having a great reaction, and that's primarily due to the tariffs, again, coming to a resolution with the United Kingdom, with the UK. And I kind of feel with tariffs, it feels like 2 steps forwards, 1 step back, 2 steps forwards, 1 step back, but we're trending higher in the markets. So I really like the market reaction. I think it's doing very well. It doesn't mean that we can't have more volatility, but I think the worst is over for the markets. I think the low is already set.
The S&P 500 gained 32.66 points, or 0.58%, to end at 5,663.94 points, while the Nasdaq Composite gained 189.98 points, or 1.07%, to 17,928.14. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 254.48 points, or 0.62%, to 41,368.45.